Hey everyone, my name is Frank. I'm the owner of Clean and Boujee Auto Detailing, located here in Hemet, California. So if you are looking for a professional auto detailer in your local area of Hemet or the surrounding areas such as Menifee, Winchester, Marietta, Temecula, Lake Elsinore, make sure to check out our website or links down below to get in contact with us. We'd be happy to provide you with a quote on your vehicle for a type of service that you're looking for. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So in today's video, I just want to quickly go over, what we'll be doing from here on out on our channel. So the announcement is we're going to be doing a video podcast channel for our, for our business. So on the main channel that you're on right now is going to be our podcast channel from here on out. So if you're looking for content as far as like videos that include our details and things like that, before and afters, you can see all that stuff on our Instagram. We are doing Instagram Reels. So you'll be able to see more content like that. We also do have a TikTok channel as well. So if you're looking for all that stuff and you want to get more as far as like more cool videos or whatever, you can see that on our social media. But for this YouTube channel, we're actually going to do a podcast from here on out. So with this podcast, I'll be doing, FAQs, just answering common questions that a lot of people ask me as a professional detailer on a daily basis. Even the most simplest questions, such as like, what does your detail services include? Why do you charge so much? Probably, all those common questions that most of us detailers, get asked on a daily basis. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So with today's video, like I said, I want to go over just the FAQs, the common questions I get asked all the time. One of those common questions I get asked all the time, I think, is, how much does a detail cost, right? Or how much do you charge for a detail, and, XYZ. Those questions, that particular question that people ask, or those type of questions I get asked all the time, really depends on a few factors, as far as like you as a customer, what you're looking for, and also, why this particular detail service need to be completed for your vehicle, right? So one of the things in our business at Clean and Boujee Auto Detailing that we do for every call, every inquiry, everything, everything that pertains to bringing in a customer, what we do is we qualify the customer and we qualify ourselves as far as like, are we able to do this type of service for this customer for the price range that they're looking for to invest in, right, into their vehicle. So that's what we do. With every phone call, every email, every form, every Facebook Messenger DM, Instagram DM, every avenue that we have where customers reach out to us, we always qualify them and we qualify ourselves to make sure that we are the best fit for each other, right? At the end of the day, you want to work with someone that you're greatly fitted together to do the work, for your vehicle. So you don't want to hire somebody that's not a good fit, and we don't want to work with someone that's not a good fit as well. So, so that's one thing that we do. We do as a business. I guess you could say we qualify our customer intake to make sure that we work with customers that not only want to work with us because they see the best value in our services, but that that they understand the quality of service that they're getting is going to be what they pay for, right? So so that's why it's very hard to talk about when it comes to how much does a detail cost, or how much does it cost to detail my car, or how much do you charge for a detail. It really depends on other factors, right? So, and some of those factors can be simple, like, for example, how much you charge for a detail to remove swirls on my paint. Okay, so that's what we call in the detailing world paint correction or paint polishing, right? Swirl removal is something that we do, and for something like this, on typically on a price range scale, it can range anywhere from $400 upwards to $1,500 at most, right? So it really depends on the customer that we encounter, that we talk to, and that we communicate with, pricing, the process, procedures that we do, and that they're able to benefit from us, right, working with us. So but yeah, to answer that question, it's very hard to determine right off the bat what your car needs, what your car might be priced for, and things like that. So in essence, in order to answer that particular question, our business, as far as like clean and visual auto detailing, we ask questions to make sure that we're a great fit for you, and that also we're able to make sure that you're going to be happy as a customer, and we're going to be giving the best quality service that we can provide for you, right? So yeah, so that pretty much is all we have to discuss about that particular topic. We can get into much deeper, right? But just know, when you come work with us, we work with clientele that already sees the value in our service. They see all the procedures that we do on our website. They see the reviews that we have on our website, on our Google business page, things like that. So they already know what they're going to get when they call us, right? The pricing is there, the procedures is there, the services are there. So it all depends on the customer that calls us and wants that done. So and that's pretty much how every detailer should be pricing, or should be giving the price ranges to their customers, is make sure they qualify them. Other detailers just give out a number. We actually go into more depth. Like I said, we do like a qualification criteria list, and if all the boxes check off, then it's a great fit. If it's not, fortunately, it's okay. But we always recommend other detailers to this client or this customer if we're not able to work with them. So yeah, next time you ask that question, how much do you charge, or how much does a detail cost to do my car, whatever, just understand and be aware of, it's more than just a price. It's actually the quality of service that you want for your vehicle, and the price tag that you're willing to invest in for that type of service. Okay, so hopefully this opens up your eyes a bit, and it gives you a better perspective on pricing as far as detailing services. And if you are interested in getting a quote for your vehicle, then make sure to contact us with the information provided to you down below in the description box, and that way we can get in touch with you, can give you a quote, and we can possibly service your vehicle. So if you're looking to get a professional detailer, come out to your home and detail your car there, make sure to give us a call. All right, thanks so much for watching this video, and again, stay tuned for the video podcast episodes that we'll be doing from here on out. Again, it will be something simple like this. We'll take a couple minutes out of our day to discuss certain questions that we have encountered with customers in the past, or that we're getting calls about, and that way we can keep the content fresh and just provide you good, informative videos, so that way you have a better understanding when it comes to detailing. So if you have any topics that you want to talk about on the next video that you want us to discuss about, make sure to leave those topics in parentheses down below in the comment section. That way we can go over them and pick and choose which ones would be a good fit for the channel. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. My name is Frank, the owner of Clean and Boujee Auto Detailing, located here in Hemet, California. I look forward to doing the next video for you guys, and also servicing your cars very soon. Take care.